Body Scan Routine. Welcome to this guided body scan routine meditation. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. Let's start our meditation routine. In this meditation, we will focus on relaxing the body. Close your eyes and let's begin. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel any sensation or tension. Now, slowly move up, part by part, until you reach the head. Relax any area that you find tense. Keep breathing deeply and maintain this feeling of relaxation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining today's meditation. Until next time, breathe deeply and find inner peace.